This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Heat 1 tablespoon butter over medium-low heat, then crack 2 fresh eggs into the pan spaced about 2 inches apart so they don't merge. Cook 2-3 minutes until whites set but yolks remain runny, covering with a lid for the last 30 seconds if needed to finish whites. Season with a pinch of salt and a grind of black pepper, and serve immediately with salt and pepper on warm toast or a plate to preserve the runny yolk. Bring 1 liter water and 1 tablespoon white vinegar to a gentle simmer in a wide, shallow pan, creating a 100 to 120 mm depth for easy swirling. Crack each egg into a small ramekin and create a mild vortex. Slide 1 egg at a time into simmering water and poach 3-4 minutes for a runny yolk and set whites. Remove with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towel for 10 seconds, season, and serve hot on an English muffin or salad to keep yolk runny. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then lower 3 large eggs gently with a slotted spoon and maintain a steady boil for 6 minutes for a consistently runny yolk. Immediately transfer eggs to an ice bath and cool for 60 seconds to stop cooking and make peeling easier while preserving runny centers. Tap and peel under running water, trim the top with a spoon, place in an egg cup, and serve warm with a sprinkle of salt or 3-4 grinds of pepper so the yolk stays runny.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.